ISP programmer for LGT8F328P1. RC receiver always started the programming mode of the brushless controller. This was because the program in the receiver did not boot immediately. But the bootloader started first. It waits for a certain time if the communication on the serial port does not start after the start programming. That's why I needed to load the program without the bootloader into LGT8COVALENTF328P1. I used the LGT8F328P chip on the RC receiver. This chip can be programmed using Arduino. We need to use a different program for programmer program and a different wiring diagram. A program without a bootloader can be uploaded using Arduino IDE or uploaded using Avrdudess.